5G mobile platform. This is a 7nm processor. This state-of-the-art chip adopts a 3-cluster architecture of CPU Cryo 475. It has ultra-high prime core with a clock speed of 2.8 GHz to perform all the heavy-duty gaming scenarios, whereas the 2.4 GHz of gold and 1.8 GHz of silver cores are more than enough to run the daily use applications. These dominant frequencies are similar to the flagship level. Snapdragon 768 5G has improved CPU and GPU performance by up to 15% compared to its predecessor, which is Snapdragon 765G. Not just that, it has LPDDR4X RAM and flash memory of UFS 2.2. This perfect trio can boost the overall performance to the next level. And I'm thrilled to tell you that iQOO Z3 has a score of 450,000 plus on AnTuTu. And this is a massive jump in terms of performance, which makes it the fastest 5G smartphone in the segment. Along with the great hardware experience, we are introducing extended RAM technology in iQOO Z3 as well. It uses innovative algorithm to use a part of ROM that work as a RAM. Simply put, with this added 3GB, the 8GB RAM can give you the equivalent experience of 11GB of RAM. This ensures a smoother and lag-free experience while retaining up to 20 applications simultaneously in the background. The iQOO Z3 is also equipped with 55-watt flash charge technology that can charge up to 50% in just 19 minutes and a full charge in less than an hour. Additionally, it is loaded with a whopping 4400 mAh battery, can give you 12.6 hours of binge watching or 5.8 hours of uninterrupted gaming, and the list goes on and on. We talked about the performance, but what is a good performance without a great display? So we have designed the iQOO Z3 with an ultra-high 120Hz refresh rate display. It is super smooth compared to a normal 60Hz display. Along with that, you are getting DCI P3 wide color gamut, HDR10 support and 401 pixel per inch for an immersive visual experience. To summarize performance bit, it has India's first Qualcomm Snapdragon 768 5G mobile platform combined with LPDDR4X and UFS 2.2. The segment-leading 55-watt flash charge with whopping 4400 mAh battery. For a longer period, it tends to get heat up, which lead to the dropping of frames. But with iQOO Z3's 5-layer liquid cooling system, you don't have to worry anymore. Let me explain the technology, how it works. So according to the heat transfer path, the heat is mainly generated by the CPU, which is efficiently absorbed by the thermal conductivity gel, and it further transfers the heat evenly through a cooling copper foil covering front and rear side of the motherboard and a 73mm ultra-long liquid-cooled copper tube. Finally, the iQOO Z3 quickly releases the absorbed heat to the outside through the graphite sheets, which has a total area of 5814 mm². Thanks to its 6 temperature sensor to monitor the heat source inside the mobile phone. With all of this, iQOO Z3 core temperature can be reduced by 10 degrees Celsius. Moving ahead, for gamers, we have integrated a 180Hz touch sampling rate. By upgrading both hardware and software, we have optimized the entire process between the moment when a user touches the display and display makes the response. It gives you the lightning touch response of just 8.6 milliseconds. Now every action is ultra responsive to increase the winning possibility in most intense gaming situations. Our software is also ready to excite you with multiple gaming features, and one of them is Eagle Eye Enhancement. It works with local tone mapping, color enhancement, memory color protection, and detail sharpening to optimize the effects and gives you an immersive experience while playing the games. Spotting an enemy is much easier than before. During our consumer interactions, we found that when people are making calls, playing games, and swiping microblogs, some areas are always blocked, which leads to a drop in the network signal of mobile phones. Thus, the iQOO Z3 uses the same level of antenna system as our flagship iQOO 7 series, which enhances the mobile phone signal under various grip gestures such as horizontal and vertical to have a better network connectivity. To summarize the feature that will improve your overall gaming experience, the iQOO Z3 comes with 5-layer liquid cooling system, 180Hz touch sampling rate, eagle eye enhancement, and all scenario antenna. As we say, iQOO stands for extreme performance and ultra gaming experience. But that doesn't mean that user has to compromise on the camera. In fact, we have developed a triple rear camera setup with a 64 megapixel main camera supported by GW3 sensor, along with ultra wide angle and macro lens, which not only helps you to capture clearer and detailed shots, but also provides the super large field of view with 120 degree and enable the user to explore wonderful world with macro lens. Let me show you some of the amazing pictures shot on iQOO Z3. On the top of that, we are bringing you the support of some flagship camera features. With iQOO Z3, user can record 4K videos at 60 FPS. Now create striking personalized video with amazing 4K clarity at stable 60 FPS. Experiencing a high definition detail with more stability compared to 4K at 30 FPS. To further improve your videography experience, it has EFB, eye, face and body autofocus tracking. iQOO Z3's rear camera can track the object while recording a video with just double tap on it. Our industry-leading intelligent AF tracking algorithm is supported by excellent hardware and updated software. It delivers the level of clarity you wish for and lets you enjoy spotlight moments. With iQOO Z3, you can now reinvent your night photography as well. Its Super Night mode uses a new night algorithm to provide you with perfect night shots. And to further improve your low light photos, we have added some amazing light filters as well. Talking about the design, the iQOO Z3 is compact and convenient to use. The back of the phone is 3D curved, fits smoothly in the palm of your hand. At the side, the 2.75mm ultra narrow mid-frame brings a waistline that symbolizes speed and performance, whereas the combination of 8.5mm thickness and 185.5 gram weight gives you the ultimate lightweight control. iQOO Z3 comes in two striking colors, Ace Black and my favorite Cyber Blue. Now let's see everything that iQOO Z3 can do.
iQOO Z3, fully loaded. iQOO.
Let us recall all the amazing features that iQOO Z3 offers you. Extreme performance with India's first Snapdragon 768 5G, segment-leading 55-watt flash chart technology, 120Hz refresh rate and extended RAM, along with amazing gaming features like 5-layer liquid cooling system, 180Hz touch sampling rate, eagle eye enhancement which will take your gaming experience to the next level. And in terms of photography, a 64MP triple rear camera accompanied with many professional features will truly make it a fully loaded smartphone.
For the first time ever, we are bringing a 7-day no question asked return policy for iQOO Z3 on Amazon.in. If you are not satisfied, we are not satisfied. We offer you a 100% refund guarantee. For more details, you can stay tuned to our official pages.
iQOO Z3 will be available in 3 variants with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage at just Rs 19,990, with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage at just Rs 20,990, with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage at just Rs 22,990.
To sweeten it further, here are the exclusive launch offers. iQOO Z3 will be available for purchase on iQOO.com and Amazon.in starting today. So here it is guys, the all new iQOO Z3.